So I got my microscope out because I wanted to look for dust mites. So what I did is I used this on my mattress. This works in a few different ways. For one, it has really powerful suction, so it kind of works like a vacuum in that regard. And then instead of brushes, it has paddles, and the way these work is they kind of push down on the mattress so that it will kind of fluff things up so that you can suck up the dust. It also has heat built in. Dust mites don't do well in dry conditions, and the heat kind of helps dry things out. So after I got done doing this, I got some tape. I put some of the dust on the tape, looked at it under the microscope. It's not a fantastic microscope, and honestly, I don't think I could see any dust mites, but what I could see is a lot of black dots, and I don't know exactly what dust mite droppings look like, but I bet they kind of look like this. And if you think your mattress probably doesn't have any dust mites, well, about 4 out of 5 mattresses all have dust mites. They are extremely common. This is a sponsored video. This was sent to me by uwant so I could try it out. And honestly, before using it, I kind of thought the same thing. I live in Utah where the conditions are really dry. Dust mites thrive more in humid conditions. So I didn't really know what I would find. And honestly, I really don't know if what I saw in the microscope are dust mite droppings or not. But the reason that dust mites are a problem is specifically for allergies. And it's not the actual living dust mites, but it's the dead dust mites, and their droppings cause problems with allergies. And I actually have allergies. So this is something really nice for me. As far as how this works, you can kind of see me just using it on the bed. Again, the paddles kind of break things up. It looks like I am getting some mattress fibers in here as well. And there really is heat. You can feel the heat from this vacuum. It has lights on the underside as well. And because this works so well as a vacuum, I actually use this on a lot of other things like rugs or upholstery, some of my furniture. The thing I really like about this is because of the paddles here underneath and how it kind of beats down on everything. You can kind of see in this clip as it kind of vibrates or pushes down on everything, it moves everything up to the surface so it can do a better job sucking everything in and just getting more of that dust. This also comes with some oil that you can put in here, and I smelled the oil and it was interesting. I wondered how well this actually works. So I put this in and I kind of just used it on a portion of my mattress, and then I actually smelled that portion of my mattress and compared it with a portion of my mattress that I did not put it on, and it does work. It doesn't smell like the bottle. The bottle is kind of like overbearing, but when it's on the mattress, it just kind of smells like it just barely came out of the laundry. It's a nice fresh smell. And to show you how well this kind of sucks all the dust up here, you can see in the dustbin everything inside. This is quite a bit of dust. It's really easy to empty though. You just kind of dump it in the garbage can. And because this is plastic, a lot of stuff sticks to it. So I just run it under the sink and clean it out that way as well. Hopefully you don't have a dust mite problem, but chances are you probably do. And this is a good way to suck everything up.